Hello. In today's video, I'm going to look at bases and salts. This is a year 10 topic and I'm following the Edexcel Pearson syllabus for combined science, and this is online learning for my year 10 classes. So we've already studied bases neutralize acids. So bases neutralize acids. Examples of bases: sodium hydroxide, calcium oxide, all group 2 oxides, all group 2 carbonates. These are the ones we're going to focus on. A difference between a base and an alkali is that alkalis are soluble in water. Okay, now let's define a salt now. Simply, a salt is where the metal in the acid, the metal replaces the hydrogen in the acid. Example: sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to form NaCl and water. This is a neutralization reaction. Please notice that the sodium and hydrogen have replaced each other to form the salt. Other examples of salts is when a metal reacts with an acid, we get salt and hydrogen. Balance. So, and a third important example is where we've got a carbonate that reacts with a HCl, and now that will form a salt, calcium chloride, and water and carbon dioxide. Balance 2HCl. Now please remember, this is an overview video. You do need to read the rest yourselves. Now we will look at how do we preparing a soluble salts. Again, if we were in school, we would do this as a practical, but however, okay, but there's simply this: mix acid and base. Number 2, add base in excess, i.e. 10 spatulas. Number 3, filter the excess. Number 4, evaporate the water. 4 simple steps. Diagram: beaker, stirring rod. Number 2, filter, conical flask. Number 3, evaporating basin, heat. So that's lesson 1 on bases and salts. Next one is acids and neutralization then. So just a quick one: acids and neutralization. Okay, now here you do need to know an ionic equation. So when an acid is added to water, AQ, it forms hydrogen ions and chloride ions. So all combined students, whether they're doing foundation or higher, you will know the ionic equation here. Sodium hydroxide is a soluble base, it's an alkali. it formed sodium ions and hydroxide ions. So the equation for neutralization, and please learn this, is H plus OH minus forms water. I am going to pause here. Now, using